The concept of ocean encounters cats versus fish brings together the unlikely pairing of domestic cats and fish in a hypothetical and playful contest within an oceanic setting. Animals that traditionally occupy separate realms, the land-dwelling cat and the aquatic fish, are imagined to interact in a scenario driven by curiosity, competition, or confrontation. This lighthearted concept serves as an entertaining exploration of what it means when two natural worlds collide under unusual circumstances. The significance of this point lies in its ability to captivate and engage an audience through an unexpected narrative that blends the familiar with the fantastic. By positioning cats and fish against each other in a splashy contest, the topic invites people to consider the behaviors and instincts of each species while highlighting themes of adaptation and survival. It also prompts reflection on how different environments shape the creatures that inhabit them. Specific real-world examples that could illustrate this idea might include instances where domestic cats interact with fish tanks at home, providing a microcosmic view of cats' natural hunting instincts as they paw at glass, fascinated and occasionally frustrated by the fish kept tantalizingly out of reach. Another example might be outdoor cats near bodies of water, occasionally trying to catch fish in ponds or streams, an act more rooted in instinct than necessity. Support for this whimsical concept can be drawn from the playful nature of imagining traditional foes in unusual scenarios, echoing opinions that consider such encounters as enriching for both pets and their owners. This includes those who believe that interactive environments contribute positively to a pet's mental stimulation and overall well-being. However, there are potential challenges and controversies in equating this entertaining idea to real-life interactions. Concerns arise regarding the safety and ethical considerations of orchestrating encounters between pets and wildlife, which may pose risks to both species. Additionally, some might argue against anthropomorphizing animals in competitive scenarios, as it can detract from understanding their true behaviors. This playful contest connects to broader topics within the main theme by blending elements of different worlds, echoing the idea of nurture versus nature in animal behavior studies. It also opens doors to discussing habitat conservation, as these interactions remind us of the delicate balance between land and sea environments and the creatures that rely on them. In sum, by bringing cats and fish into a fantastical yet thought-provoking narrative, we gain insights into nature's diversity and the surprising encounters it can inspire. The historical and cultural context of cats and fish provides a fascinating backdrop to the ocean encounters concept, where cats take on fishy foes. Historically, cats and fish have enjoyed a complex relationship, primarily rooted in the predatory instincts of cats and the universal human practice of keeping fish as pets, or harvesting them for food. This relationship is not merely predatory, but also symbolic, representing a confluence of domestic and wild elements in human culture. Cats, often revered as mystical creatures, have been captured in art and literature as curious and cunning, while fish symbolize depth and mystery, enriching the narrative of their encounters. Understanding this context is significant to the main topic as it frames the playful clash between these two species within a deeper narrative. It speaks to our fascination with the natural world and the dynamic interactions between different forms of life. This historical backdrop allows us to appreciate these encounters not just as random acts of nature, but as chapters in a long-standing story that has intrigued humanity for centuries. One real-world example of this relationship can be found in the domesticated cat's obsession with fish as a source of food, often seen in homes where cats eagerly eye aquariums. This has inspired numerous cultural depictions in media, from cartoons to films, portraying cats as sly and sometimes bumbling predators of fish. Another example comes from Japanese folklore, where the interplay between cats and fish is deeply woven into stories that emphasize cleverness and cunning, such as the tale of the Bakaneko, supernatural cat spirits that have the ability to shapeshift and outwit their opponents, often involving fish-related trickery. While many adore the whimsical representation of cats and fish in culture, potential controversies arise regarding the ethics of keeping predatory pets like cats in close proximity to pet fish, raising questions about animal welfare and ecological balance. Critics argue that these portrayals often gloss over the more serious aspects of predator-prey relationships and the responsibilities of pet ownership. This point in the outline enhances other aspects of ocean encounters by highlighting the deep-seated interactions between species that go beyond mere competition. It suggests that what we observe in the behavior between cats and fish is not just a contest, but an echo of ancient instincts and cultural imprints. This enriches the narrative, encouraging audiences to see these encounters as a dance of nature and nurture, deeply rooted in our shared history with both domesticated and wild animals. In the whimsical world of ocean encounters, cats take on fishy foes in a splashy contest. The key characteristics of feline and aquatic competitors play a pivotal role in shaping this fantastical narrative. This concept focuses on identifying and understanding the distinct traits that both cats and aquatic creatures bring into this imaginative competition. On one hand, cats, known for their agility, curiosity, and hunting prowess, are adept at stalking and capturing prey, which here manifests in their playful engagement with marine life. On the other hand, aquatic creatures boast qualities like speed, camouflage, and specialized survival techniques, allowing them to navigate their watery domains with ease. The significance of this point lies in its ability to set the stage for the underlying tension and charm of the competition. By comparing and contrasting these characteristics, the narrative not only creates a vibrant scene, but also highlights the unlikely yet fascinating interactions between terrestrial and marine life. For example, the elegance of a cat's paw swipe is juxtaposed against the rapid darting of a fish, capturing an enchanting dance of nature's instincts. Similarly, the intelligence and curiosity of both cats and certain sea creatures, like octopuses or dolphins, become fodder for amusing and unpredictable encounters. An example of this can be seen when house cats take on koi fish in a backyard pond scenario. The feline curiosity is pitted against the koi's gentle evasiveness, resulting in a captivating display of nature at play. Additionally, consider the fascinating real-world interactions between cats and marine creatures in coastal communities, where felines are known to fish at the water's edge, utilizing their natural instincts in a unique environment. While the concept is endearing, it invites varying opinions. Some see the playful clash as a celebration of nature's diversity, while others may express concerns about animal welfare or environmental impacts when such interactions occur in less controlled settings. Ethical considerations arise when ensuring that encounters remain safe and non-exploitative for both parties. In connecting to the broader theme of ocean encounters, understanding these key characteristics amplifies the narrative's depth, making each encounter between cats and their fishy foes not just a splashy spectacle, but a commentary on adaptability, survival, and the interconnectedness of life on Earth. This interplay is foundational to both the humor and intrigue of the plot, encouraging audiences to reflect on the intricate dynamics of these diverse animal worlds. The heading, "The Anatomy of a Splashy Contest, Rules and Structure," delves into the foundational elements that govern a whimsical yet imaginative competition between cats and their aquatic adversaries. In this context, a splashy contest refers to an organized event designed to pit cats against fish in a series of challenges that emphasize strategy, agility, and perhaps a bit of comedic interplay. The structure of such a contest involves setting clear rules to ensure fairness, safety, and entertainment value, a crucial framework that dictates how the events unfold and engages the audience. This concept is significant because it transforms a simple idea into an engaging narrative, capturing the imagination of audiences. Competitions that pit unlikely opponents against each other, like cats and fish, provide a fresh and unique twist on traditional contests, tapping into the playful nature of both participants and observers. These events also showcase animal behaviors in a fun, interactive environment, drawing attention to the relationship between land and aquatic creatures in a manner that is both educational and entertaining. Two illustrative examples of this concept in practice include kids' animated television shows and community events at aquariums or zoos. In animated shows, similar contests serve as a plot device that not only entertains, but also teaches children about different species and habitats. For real-world applications, aquariums might host playful events where kids can participate in fish spotting challenges or trivia contests with cat-themed rewards, creatively bridging the feline-aquatic divide. Support for this concept often comes from educators and entertainers who see value in using humor and competition as teaching tools. Engaging stories of rivalry and teamwork can foster curiosity and a love for animals. However, potential challenges arise concerning animal welfare and the anthropomorphism of such events. Critics might argue about the ethics of making animals perform or be depicted in fanciful ways that do not represent their natural behaviors. Despite these potential controversies, these contests highlight the broader theme of ocean encounters by effectively linking terrestrial to aquatic ecosystems through engaging stories. This point connects to overarching topics by exploring how structured competition facilitates understanding and appreciation of diverse wildlife. Ultimately, the anatomy of a splashy contest serves as a pivotal point in not only ensuring the contest is enjoyable, but also deepening the thematic impact of the overarching narrative of cats meeting their fishy foes.